This is the luxury world. Get inspired with us today and tomorrow. In this video brought to you by the luxury world, we will clarify the Rolex waitlist, examining its true nature, the expected wait times for various models, and the factors that affect your spot in line. Before you begin your quest for a Rolex, prepare to delve into the complexities of this highly sought-after list. If you still need to subscribe to our channel, we encourage you to do so now to stay updated on our future videos. Before the frenzy of recent times, Rolex had always been relatively accessible, except for one elusive model, the stainless steel Rolex Daytona. However, the arrival of the craze changed everything. Suddenly, demand soared, but the supply did not match up. Contrary to widespread belief, Rolex itself does not maintain a company-wide waitlist. It is more like a wish list. Moreover, it is not a straightforward first-come, first-served system. Human factors come into play, such as personal relationships with managers or salespeople and past purchase history. Now, let us talk about wait times. The wide ranges in wait times stem from factors like relationship with the seller, purchase history, or simply luck. For instance, a stainless steel Submariner with a black bezel could have a wait time of 3 months to 2 years, with a current market premium of around 30% above MSRP. On the other hand, the non-tone Submariner has a shorter wait of 2 months to a year, with a premium over MSRP of around 3%, making it possibly not worth getting on the waitlist for. A solid gold Submariner does not command any markup on the secondary market, and the waitlist ranges from 0 to 10 months. However, it is readily available on the secondary market. Since 2021, the expected wait time for a Rolex Submariner has decreased significantly, with the longest wait being 2 years, but many people report receiving theirs within 3 to 6 months or even under a year after joining the waitlist. Now, let us discuss the coveted Rolex Daytona. Based on the data, it indicates that the Panda variant is in high demand, with wait times ranging from 2 to 8 years or 1 to 5 years, and a market premium of 132% above MSRP. The black version has a slightly shorter wait of 6 months to 2 years, with a premium of 92% over MSRP. The black version has a slightly shorter wait of 6 months to 2 years, with a premium of 92% over MSRP. The two-tone Daytona has a relatively shorter wait of 6 months to 2 years, with only a 10% premium on the secondary market. A solid gold Daytona also has a 6-month to 2-year wait, with a 20% premium on the secondary market. However, the Daytona Le Mans variant is exceptionally rare, with a wait time of over 3 years and a market premium of 325% above MSRP, making it nearly impossible to acquire unless one has significant spending power and access to exclusive sales channels. As a note, it is mentioned that the Le Mans variant is expected to be discontinued, and acquiring one would require tremendous luck and a connection with a point of sale that has access to it. Best of luck to all Daytona enthusiasts. Now, let us shift our focus to Rolex GMT models. The data provides the following details. The Pepsi variant is exclusively available to VIP clients, with a wait time of 3 to 5 years and a premium of 110% above MSRP, more than double its retail price. The Batman variant has a wait time of 1 to 4 years, with a markup of about 60%. The Root Beer variant has a wait time of 6 months to 3 years, with an 18% premium. Similarly, the Black and Gray variant of the GMT Master 2 has a wait time of 6 months to 3 years, with about a 16% increase in price. Solid gold GMT Master 2 models have a shorter wait of 0 to 10 months, with a markup ranging from none to about 8% above MSRP, reflecting the current market trend favoring gold pieces. While there are odds of walking into a point of sale and picking up a gold piece on the spot if available, it is essential to understand that authorized dealers are aware of market dynamics and often make significant margins when selling these pieces. In general, the focus on GMTs revolves around the Pepsi variant, but it is essential not to be discouraged if told about long wait times by dealers, as production issues may be exaggerated rumors. Now, shifting to a more straightforward comparison, let us look at the Rolex Datejust. The wait times and premiums may vary slightly. The stainless steel Datejust 41 with a fluted bezel has a waitlist time of 2 months to 3 years, with a premium of 10 to 40% over MSRP. Moving on, the stainless steel Datejust 41 with a smooth bezel has 2 months to 2 years, with a premium of 10 to 28% over MSRP. Also, the stainless steel Datejust 36 with a fluted bezel has 2 months to a year, with a premium of 5 to 38% over MSRP. Also, the stainless steel Datejust 36 with a fluted bezel has 2 months to a year, with a premium of 5 to 38% over MSRP. To continue, the stainless steel Datejust 36 with a smooth bezel takes up 0 to 10 months, with a premium of 0 to 38% over MSRP. And lastly, the two-tone and ladies' Datejust models has 0 to 10 months, with no premium on the secondary market. As you move down to the less popular Rolex models, like the Datejust, you will notice shorter wait times and less of a premium over MSRP on the secondary market. The wider ranges in wait times indicate that Rolex dealers receive a considerable number of these watches. It is just a matter of where you stand in the hierarchy of a particular point of sale. When it comes to discussing these variations, particularly those with a fluted bezel, they typically feature a Jubilee bracelet and are often adorned with mint or blue dials, which remain highly sought after. Moving on to the Datejust series, particularly the ladies' models, you will find them readily available at MSRP, without the need for an extensive waitlist or a significant purchasing history. The Rolex Explorer series is another significant line within the Rolex lineup. The Explorer 36 has a wait time of 1 month to a year with virtually no markup, while the Explorer 42 has a wait time of 2 months to 2 years with a markup of about 133% over MSRP. The Explorer 2 has a wait time of 5 months to 3 years with a 20% markup over MSRP. These figures are relatively straightforward to understand. For some, an additional 10% markup may not deter them from a desired purchase. However, savvy buyers may opt for the secondary market or pre-owned options to potentially save money. Now, let us delve into Rolex Oyster Perpetual. But if you are interested in exploring the turquoise variant, let us discuss that as well. The Tiffany models are strictly for VIP clients, with wait times ranging from 2 to 5 years. This applies to various models, not just the 36, and currently carries a hefty premium of 146% above MSRP for the 36 models, and about a 100% markup for the 36 Candy Pink. The Celebration Dial variants are also exclusive to VIP clients, with a wait time of 1 to 5 years and a markup of around 130%. Moving on to the Oyster Perpetual 41 Celebration Edition, it is again for VIP clients, with a wait time of 3 to 5 years and a whopping 205% markup. The 36 or 41 with a green dial has a wait time of 2 months to 3 years, with a 43% markup. Conversely, the silver or black dial versions have a similar wait time, but a lower markup of about 10 to 35% above MSRP. Anything in the 41 range with an intriguing dial is likely to command a premium, reflecting market demand. This aligns with what we see at auctions, where models with unique dials fetch the highest prices. As for the Rolex Sky Dweller, models with mint green dials and blue dials are exclusively for VIP clients, with wait times of 2 to 5 years and markups of 73% and 54% over MSRP, respectively. Models with white or black dials have a wait time of 1 to 5 years with a 38% markup. The Rose Gold Sky Dweller with a blue-green dial is also VIP only, with a wait time of 2 to 5 years and a 38% markup. However, the two-tone Sky Dwellers generally have shorter wait times of 2 months to 2 years, trading at or slightly above MSRP. Whether new or pre-owned, blue dials remain popular, while green dials are still considered somewhat of a novelty in the market. Whether new or pre-owned, blue dials remain popular, while green dials are still considered somewhat of a novelty in the market. What are your thoughts on the current Rolex models we discussed in this video? We would appreciate it if you let us know by leaving a comment and giving it a thumbs up. Do not forget to follow our channel for more content. Thank you for watching The Luxury World, and we look forward to having you join us in our upcoming videos.